Happy Mindful Monday. Today's Mindful Monday recommendation is to use the TIPP skill from DBT. When we get triggered or worried about something, whenever we find ourselves kind of in a panic mode or a crisis, the TIPP skill can be really helpful in bringing us out of that crisis. And that's what I'm going to explain in today's video. But first, if you missed last week's Mindful Monday, the recommendation was to get out into nature and connect with nature. So I do practice what I preach beyond just my chickens. I'm out enjoying nature today. So yeah, back to today's Mindful Monday, the TIPP skill from DBT. It's TIPP. The first T stands for temperature. This means getting into some temperature extremes. You could be washing your face with some cold water or sticking your head in the freezer. I have my feet in freezing cold river water right now. There's nothing to be anxious about when you're thinking about how cold your feet are. You could also do hot-cold exchange, like if you've ever been to a spa with a really hot tub and then a really cold tub, like a hot springs kind of place, and you go in the cold water, into the hot water. You can do this in your own shower by just turning the water to cold, turning the water to hot. Yeah, it sounds like torture, but it's really good for helping the body relax and reestablish a sense of calm at the end. The I stands for intense exercise. This is any sort of exercise that you can get your body into in a short period of time that really gets the body moving, gets the body going, brings up the heart rate. I know that seems counterintuitive, but it works. Just make sure that you are healthy enough and you don't have a heart attack doing it. The two P's stand for paced breathing and progressive muscle relaxation. So paced breathing is kind of exactly what it sounds like. You are breathing in and breathing out in a controlled, rhythmic sort of way. This could look like yoga breathing, box breathing, 4-7-8 breathing, even just putting your hand on your belly and taking a deep breath in for 5 seconds, holding it for 5 seconds, and then breathing out for 5 seconds. Having a breathing pattern like this going on is actually really good for anxiety. So good for anxiety that it can even work better than medication. And the last P, progressive muscle relaxation, is when we tighten a muscle group in our body, hold it for a few seconds, and then release it. We can start at the head, we can start at the feet, either one, and just work through the body, tightening and then relaxing each muscle group. Because we often don't even realize how much tension we are holding in our bodies until we do this. And when you're done, it feels amazing. There are some really good videos on like the internet, YouTube, places like that that can guide you through a progressive muscle relaxation. So yeah, the DBT TIPP skill, really great for managing our bodies when we are in a place of chaos or emotion dysregulation, crisis. TIPP, temperature, intense exercise, paced breathing, and progressive muscle relaxation. I hope you will try it, and I also hope you will let me know what you think of it in the comments. Thanks for watching this Mindful Monday, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Take care.